Welcome, friends. Today we are going to see an interesting topic. The topic name is coin conundrum. Now, first, let me explain the term coin and conundrum. Coin is a small round piece of metal, usually silver or copper colored, that is used as money. These are standardized in weight and produced in large quantities. Government issues this. Let's see what conundrum is. Generally, it refers to a difficult problem, or in other words, you can call it as a puzzle or a riddle and so on. Now let's move on to the puzzle. Now I'm going to place 4 coins on the table. Each coin will be touching another coin. You have to arrange the coins in a way that every coin is directly touching all of other 3 coins. So first let me arrange those 4 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me give you 5 seconds. Then I will post the answer. Try it. Now, the answer is, first you arrange these 3 coins in a triangle shape like this. Then take the last coin, the 4th coin, and place it on top of these. So now we have rearranged the 4 coins in a way that every coin is directly touching all other 3 coins. Hope you have enjoyed this. Now let's see one more puzzle using the same coins. You can see 6 coins arranged on the table. Each coin is touching at least 2 other coins. Now, can you rearrange the coins into a hexagon shape in precisely 3 moves? At the end of each move, it must be the case that each coin is still touching at least 2 other coins. Try this also. Let me give you 5 seconds. Now the first move will be, okay. Now let's see the second move. I'm going to remove the middle coin. Now, in the third move, I'm going to place the last coin and a complete circle is formed. Now, inside that circle, you can see the hexagon shape. So, this is the answer to the given puzzle, and we can see that each coin is still touching 2 other coins. Hope you have enjoyed this puzzle. Thank you for watching.